two problem, and I will be available over here. If anybody has got a doubt, you just work it out. By now it is 4:10. Work out both the problem individually, and you upload it in my the same Geodesy team before about 5:30. If you have got any doubt, I'm here. I'm just waiting for you.
Okay, sir.
Or fine. You're able to see the file upload. It is given as tutorial. Yes. Download it, work it on a sheet of paper, and take a printout, take a photograph of it, and then upload it as a PDF file.
Do we need to write it in a white sheet, sir?
Pardon?
Do we need to write in a A4 sheet or any sheet?
You need a type down. You can write it on a sheet and then make a copy of it, make it as a Camcorder. You can scan it and then send it, upload it, like how you done for other thing, for assignment.